In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize rows in a spreadsheet, whether by dragging to adjust or setting an exact height. This skill can make your spreadsheet look cleaner and more organized, ensuring that your data fits neatly within the cells. We'll cover two methods you can use, and I'll give you a handy tip for resizing multiple rows at once. Let's start with option 1, drag to resize. First, you'll want to place your cursor on the bottom border of the row number, which you can find on the left side of your spreadsheet interface. As you hover over this border, watch for your cursor to change into a double arrow. This change indicates that you're in the correct spot to adjust the size of your row. Once you see the double arrow, click and hold your mouse button. Now, you can drag downward to increase the height of the row. As you drag, you'll notice the row expanding or contracting, allowing you to adjust it to your preferred size. Once you're happy with the height of the row, simply release the mouse button, and your row will stay at the desired height. This method is particularly useful when you need a quick visual way to make your rows larger or smaller, based on the content they need to contain. Now, if you prefer a more precise approach, let's move on to option 2, setting an exact row height. Begin by right-clicking on the row number of the row you wish to resize. This action will open a context menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Resize Row and select it. A dialog box should pop up, allowing you to enter a specific number for the row height, measured in pixels. Feel free to enter the value that meets your requirements. The greater the number, the taller the row. Once you've typed in your desired pixel height, go ahead and click OK. Your row will instantly adjust to the exact height you specified, giving you a clean and uniform appearance. Finally, here's a handy tip if you need to resize multiple rows simultaneously. Start by selecting all the rows you wish to adjust. You can do this by clicking and dragging through the row numbers, or by holding down the Shift key and clicking the row numbers in succession. Once you have your rows selected, right-click on any of the highlighted row numbers. From the contextual menu, choose Resize Rows. You can now proceed as before, entering a specific value in pixels and clicking OK. This approach saves time and ensures consistency when working with several rows. By mastering these resizing techniques, you'll have greater control over the layout of your spreadsheets, making them both organized and visually appealing. Whether you're making quick adjustments or setting exact dimensions, these methods offer flexibility and precision in your spreadsheet management.